Hello, I'm Harrison, co-founder at the-luxury-pergola.com. What is the-luxury-pergola.com? We're a family business that created the best shade product in the known galaxy. And for those who don't want to roast in their backyard, we stole an idea from the greatest sport mankind has ever created, the NFL. That idea? A roof that closes. Yeah, my mom says I'm f***ing brilliant. Strength? Don't fret. Our strongest, biggest, most impressive backyard enhancement to date is our Magnum model. Anchors so big, your slab won't be able to take them.
And with Magnum, you can handle a direct hit from a Category 5 hurricane.
Our robust aluminum construction means you won't have to paint it every year, because who wants to paint that often? And it's not just paint, your maintenance on this product is practically zero. Convenient? We know. Before us, this sort of magic product was eye-wateringly expensive, so my dad said,
Let's make our own.
best part is we make it in our own plant, right here in America's heartland. With Luxury Pergola, you not only get the lowest cost per pound of aluminum, but also the highest quality materials to make an adjustable roof just as strong as your house roof. While competitors charge $35 a pound for their pergola, we only charge $9. While their structural support comes from this, ours comes from this. Which would you trust? So save money and get a better product? No, you're not dreaming. Check out the options at the-luxury-pergola.com and beat your neighbor Jim before he has a new patio.